Hello, welcome to Hipposcene, my channel. Today we're going to talking about this great product right here, Bauer's 10-inch tabletop ring light kit. It's going to be an unboxing of what you're getting, and basically this is a very good item for anybody who does cosmetics or even anything that's you want to just do quickly for a video. So before I start, if you can hit the subscribe button after you watch this video, and if there's value and you like this video, definitely hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, Hipposcene, and also hit the like button. And also feel free to leave comments. I always welcome comments as I love to interact through comments. Thank you. So let's talk about this, the 10-inch tabletop ring light kit. So let's do an unboxing on this. So basically I have it right here. I'm going to unbox it. Basically in the back is where you do all the unboxing. Boom. So you do this and open the box. And let's see what's in there. Okay, so we have the ring light here. And then we have the stand right here. And we have the holder for the phone. So some of the features, I just want to put it out there for this, is that it has 3 color modes. It has the white light, the natural light, and the warm light. There's different brightness for each of these levels. 10 levels of brightness, basically what it comes down to. It has a remote control for decreased brightness, increased brightness, mode switching, and on-off switch. So basically there's a wireless remote that you can use, or actually it's a wired remote. Sorry about that. And there's a USB that's included on the other side of it so that it can hook up. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let me just put the box away. All right, so this is where you actually will stick your phone in here. So I have an old iPhone here, which, you can actually put in here. It actually stretches open, this right here, which is really good. So if you need a bigger phone head, maybe not an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy or something, you can stick it in here. But basically you can just stick it in here. So as you can see, looks pretty good. Let's remove this out. And then there's a swivel in this back. So this is what you're getting. This right here, it's very, very good and is very important. This is the rotating stand that you're getting with the legs, where you can actually put this piece that connects to the phone on it. So let's open this. All right. So let's open these legs like that. So you have your stand here now, right here, your stand. And then you take the phone piece and you just want to make sure that you screw this on when the time comes with the piece here. So let's do that. So this is the light that you're getting, and that's the reason why I said it's very good for cosmetics, because it's so close and your phone's going to be in the center. So let's stick this in here and hook it up. So you take this piece, this screw area here, and this piece which has a screw popped out, and then you just screw it in. Until it gets tight. Boom, right there. See? So you can see this now. And then you use this piece right here, screw it on the light switch here, which holds your phone. This is your remote control, which you're going to be using to change your light from up minus, and plus. So you want it to be brighter, hit the plus. You want it to be dimmer, press the minus. And then there's a power switch on there too, in red. And this is a USB, as I talked about earlier, on the other side. So it hooks up to desktop, laptops, and portable batteries, USB powered. They also give you these additional items here. Kind of like a keychain for a camera 360 iOS, and also a kind of like a snapper for you to press to take pictures. And then they have this Bauer piece right here, which they give you for you to actually use if you actually need to do any lifting. It's like a ball in here in the center, and then basically you can twist it to tighten it, and it basically just moves. So you can actually put this on top of the light stand here, which is this piece right here. So that way the light can go forward and backward, which right now it doesn't because it just goes right or left because I just put it on the regular stand. So that's what you're getting here. So that's pretty much all you're getting. You're getting some of these plastics here too, which I don't think you need. And yeah, so it's a pretty good price. It says that this item normally outside retails for about $30, estimate. But if you go to places like maybe like TJ Maxx or Marshalls, you can probably get it for like $19.99. So it's a pretty good value. I'm not going to plug it in because it's a USB. So, the lighting itself, is very basic. You're getting 3 sets of lighting, color modes, as I said earlier. So this is pretty much what you're getting. It's a good starter kit. It's 10-inch. Let's put the phone in there too to get an idea of how it looks like. So I like this stand. I mean, this stand, it's pretty durable. One thing that I would just caution is that because it's plastic is that, it can slip open these 3 legs. But for the price, I mean, it's a very good value. So let me just go ahead and put my phone in there. So you can push this down and stick your phone in here. Let me just stick that in. And once again, like this thing right here, actually, it moves. So let me just tilt it on the ground. And let me just go ahead and stick the phone in there. There you go, right there. See? So you can actually stick the phone in there and then kind of do your cosmetic videos. And you can actually move this as low as you want. So I'll move it all the way down so you kind of get an idea. So this is the lowest it can go, right there. So there you go. It's a great starter. I mean, it's very lightweight. The legs itself, I mean, I wish they were a bit more sturdier, meaning a bit more heavier, where it just doesn't opens widely. I mean, if you have a phone that's quite heavy, you might run into some non-resistance of the legs actually slipping down like this. But, all in all, this is a great price. I mean, you're paying probably like $30 for it. But if you get it from like Marshall or TJ Maxx, maybe like $19.99 before tax. So you're not really paying a lot for it. So it does what you need to do. That's basically what I'm saying. Especially for cosmetic, because it's up close. This is probably something that's pretty good. I like it. I'll probably keep this one because it's very close. I mean, my phone's not that heavy. My iPhone 11. So to me, I feel it works just fine. The legs, like I said, it'd be nice if it was a bit heavier, but I can understand that we want to keep it lightweight, featherweight. So I'm okay with it. I mean, I'll probably use it. But hey, let me know what you think. If you've used this product before, let me know what you think about it. And once again, let me just grab the box. So this is the product right here. It's the 10-inch tabletop ring light kit, and with 3 modes. So things to remember: you're getting this for a great price. First of all, you're getting something which does work with what you need to do from just starting. 3, you're getting 10 levels of brightness and 3 color modes from that. And 4, I mean, it does what you need to do, and it's very priced at a great point. And if you're starting up, I feel that is a great beginner's item to use. So let me know what you think. If you use this, let me know what you think. I'm going to keep this one. I like the item myself. And definitely, if you can subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. I'll be posting more videos. So thank you very much, and more videos to come. Take care.